So this is Grand Forks and East Grand Forks. I'm on the East Grand Forks side. And today is some kind of a parade and testing the dissolved oxygen. I tried to reach it from the top of the bridge, but the water was too low. So it's reading 11.949391.8 degrees Celsius. And you can see the probe down there in the water. Reading 11.82. And today is, I believe, November 27th. November 24th. Snowed a couple of days ago. Snow came late. Normally it's snowing by now. 11.54 degrees. .52. 0.9 degrees. Reached 11.51. Changing a bit. This is an optical density meter, and it doesn't, there is no impact with relation to moving the water movement. So it's 11.53, so it has gone up a bit now. 11.54, it's going up again. This is a bridge, Dimmer's Bridge.